What's up everyone, and today I'm doing a little sort of unboxing sort of review on a gift that Romeo, my friend Romeo, got me, and his channel is Romeo's World of TFL. Link will be in the description. So yeah, I will show you what I received from him. And I went to Acton Depot and he gave me this very nice gift. Cheers. All credits go to Romeo's World of TFL. Anyways, let's get the video started. So here's the gift that I got from Romeo. It says year 2107, the future of London transport. And if you turn it around, these are some of the things you'll get. Like a set of 4 A3 prints. For example, names like Dial-A-Ride, Streets, Buses, Skytram, Teleport, which is what he pointed out as well. Interrail, River, Rail, Trams, Moonlink, lol, Hospital, Dial-A-Tube, DLR, Underground and Coach Station. And you'll get this as well. Tube. These are some of the different space names. Uranus. Sorry, the camera's so blurry today. Hold on, I'll just say different solar system names. And then this is the map. If you turn this around, no, oh, that's upside down. Lol. It says Mexico City and Las Vegas on the dot matrix displays. And yeah, so let's open it. Actually, I'm going to open it, but yeah, see you in a few seconds when it's opened. Okay, so now I've opened it. Took me quite a bit, but it's all good. It's all good. It's all good. So I think I open it. I believe you open it, and what you get inside is the roundels. They look very interesting. I think this is some sort of poster. It looks very interesting. All credits go to Romeo. This is what I pointed out. And it says new modes. Okay. Oh, what's that? What's that? Ooh. Oh, yeah. Same one. Oh, I think it's a poster. This is really interesting, by the way. So yeah, gotta deal with throwing all this away later. Yeah, it's very big. Wow, I really like it, by the way. Hold on. Sorry about the mess. But I'll just show you what I've got. Hold on, let me just clear all this stuff up first. I'll do something. Okay, so I'm going to do a little showcase of what I've got from Romeo. So this is the departure board that says Mexico City and Las Vegas. The next train to Mexico City will arrive in 5 minutes, and the next train to Las Vegas will arrive in 8 minutes. So this is the beautiful artwork poster. And yeah, it's very well detailed. I like the platform. It's very good. So yes, that's my first one. Then the next one here: Pluto, Uranus, Neptune. Sorry, I always have to turn around to remember. Saturn, the yellow one. Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus and Mercury. One of the different roundels that you get for the different solar systems. Let me show you here. Starts from the top and it goes all the way down the bottom. Sorry, I have to press record like that. I'll have to move forward to stop recording because I don't have anything to stop recording. So anyways, to my next one. Voila! This is the tube map, the Circle and District lines, and the Victoria line, and the Jubilee, Northern and Bakerloo lines. This is the half of the tube map. I really love it so much. And my last one to show is... Oh, I think I showed this one already. Sorry, I'm showing this quite a lot of times. This is what I like as well. The different names of this. The DLR at the bottom. Let's take one more look at this, the Mexico City, Las Vegas, especially this one that I like as well. Very good artwork, and yeah. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And this shout out goes to Romeo's World of TFL. Thank you very much for giving me these posters. All credits go to you, and thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Got to get to 1K, and yeah, ciao everyone.